okurebuuza ebyona ebironi bikorwa Arkadogo Community Polytechnic eribinji bakumanya nka KPC omu second division ebinji bakumanya nka Makinke kwakwebembiremu abeebembezi ba UPDF abakwatanisa n'abeebembezi ba Gavumenti abaziri babeegi nabo tebaburaho.
Ahabo kuba omuntu oshomere cyari kubasa kwekozesa nimwari kuba yine cyashomere kusinga kushoma ebyabandi kandi wotene cyo kubasa kwekorramo omurimo okagwihamu nangwa nabandi kosi zinde ziba kushoma niziba zirunungi tariho kosi imi konka kosi yo kushoma okashora nomanye cyo kuza gukora izoba eryo nikiba kiri ekintu kihango munonga.
Agriculture farms are being managed by the students, and these skills they help the student to go outside there and make money and become productive, and that is good for the population. I also want to thank the government of Uganda, right from the president and then all the education stakeholders, Minister of Education and Sports, the leadership of UPDF, and also our commander of this place, that is the division commander, the General Paul Mwanguzi.
Kadogo Community Polytechnic n'ishomero eryatandikirweho omukuru w'ihanga Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni okwera abasirikare abaana b'abasirikare n'abantu baburijo na munonga abo bataratungire mugisha kweyongera omu mashitendekero gahiguru.
The areas of training are about 7. We have carpentry and joinery, we have bricklaying, we have electrical installations, we have motor vehicle mechanics, we have plumbing, we have agriculture, we have fashion and design.
Ahabwa TV West ndisenyomo Gideon aho muri Mbarara.